Here's a step-by-step guide to help you fix a slow computer or laptop, whether you're using Windows or macOS. This guide covers both software and hardware-related solutions. Clean up your system. On Windows, press Windows and R, type cleanmgr and press Enter. Select your drive, usually C, and click OK. Check all the boxes like temporary files, recycle bin, and hit OK, delete files. On macOS, use Storage Management Apple menu, About This Mac, Storage, Manage, clear unused files, downloads, and app caches. Check for malware and viruses. Windows, use Windows Defender or download a tool like Malwarebytes. Mac, while rare, Mac malware exists. Use Malwarebytes for Mac to scan. Check startup programs. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC to open Task Manager. Go to Startup tab. Disable unnecessary programs, right-click Disable. On macOS, go to System Settings, Users and Groups, Log and Items. Remove unnecessary apps from startup. Free up RAM usage. Close unused programs and browser tabs. Avoid running too many apps at once. On Windows, use Task Manager to see RAM hogs. On Mac, use Activity Monitor, CMD plus space, search Activity Monitor. Update operating system and drivers. On Windows, go to Settings, then Update and Security, and click on Windows Update. Check for updates. Also, update your drivers by right-clicking Start, selecting Device Manager, and updating drivers for graphics, network, and other components. On macOS, open the Apple menu, navigate to System Settings, and click on Software Update. Uninstall unnecessary programs. On Windows, open Control Panel, go to Programs and Features, and uninstall apps you don't use. On a Mac, simply drag apps to the trash or use an app cleaner like App Cleaner. Restart regularly. Restart your computer at least once every few days to clear memory and refresh processes. Check for hard drive issues. On Windows, open Command Prompt as an admin and run chkdesk per f/r. Use the built-in disk defragmenter for HDDs by typing dfragui in run. On macOS, use Disk Utility, select your drive, click on First Aid, and run it. Consider hardware upgrades. Add more RAM. If your RAM is less than 8 GB, upgrading to 16 GB if possible can help. Upgrade to SSD. Replace your HDD with an SSD for huge speed boosts in boot and load times. Disable visual effects. On Windows, right-click this PC, go to Properties, then Advanced System Settings, and click on Performance Settings. Adjust for best performance. On macOS, reduce motion and transparency in accessibility settings. Factory reset as a last resort. On Windows, go to Settings, Update and Security, and then Recovery. Choose Reset this PC. On macOS, use macOS Recovery by pressing CMD plus R on startup and reinstall macOS. Bonus tips. Regularly back up your files. Use cloud storage for less used documents. Keep only essential browser extensions.